Hello guys, this is a DK63 60% mechanical keyboard review, so let's go. So when you open the box, obviously it comes with a keyboard, and then this keycap puller, obviously a manual, and a USB-C angled wire, so let's plug it into the keyboard. So when you turn the keyboard on, it gives you a little show, and if you want to change the colours, all you have to do is click FN, and then this little eye symbol here. It's got loads of different themes. You can also change the colour by clicking this right arrow and FN at the same time. That also changes the speed, like on this one. So let's do a sound test. So this is a sound test for red switches. So these switches are obviously dead quiet, which is amazing, compared to this keyboard anyway. Because this keyboard is dead loud and my friends always complain at me for it. So my friends won't complain at me if I'm gaming on this one, but it's not really for gaming because it's a small keyboard, but you can still play games on it. It's also good for work because it's Bluetooth. You can connect it to your phone and your iPad, so if you're doing school on it, it's good. Not just, you can connect it to your PC as well, obviously. So it's an amazing keyboard for work. Finally, for just 55 quid, this keyboard is honestly an amazing keyboard. I highly recommend it, and if you do want to buy it, there's an affiliate link in my bio for USA and UK. So yeah, thank you so much, Dierya, for sending me the keyboard, and see ya.